Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a video using artificial intelligence with the Runwayml website. Let's dive right in. First, we click on the sign up button and become a free member. We can use our email address or Google account to register. And voila, after registering we're faced with an interface like this. Here you can see what others have created and you can remix it. It's a great way to get inspired and add your own unique twist to existing creations. Today we're going to use the newly released Gen-2 tool. This tool is used to create videos from text and images. It's quite powerful. Keep in mind that every video you create will cost you 4 credits. You can see how many credits you have left at the top. Right now, I'm in Explore mode. This mode doesn't deduct my credits, but the processes take a bit longer. It's a trade-off, but it's great for experimenting and learning how everything works. Let's proceed. Now, we'll define the video we want to create by entering the text. The artificial intelligence will create a video that corresponds to this text. It's amazing how it takes our words and turns them into visual content. If we want, we can also provide a helpful reference by adding an image here. This additional input can guide the AI to better visualize our concept. Let's see what the AI comes up with. From the free preview images, we'll choose the one we like the most and ask the system to create a video using that image. When we click on Generate, will cost us 4 credits. Selecting the right image can really make the video come alive. And there you have it. Our video has been created. By clicking on the play button, we can watch the video and see how our text and chosen image have been transformed into a moving visual. It's fascinating how simple and intuitive this process is. By clicking on the Extend 4S button, we can extend the video. And if you're happy with what you see, you can use the download button to save the video to your computer. It's as easy as that. You can also provide feedback about the video to help improve the tool. Now let's explore what really makes this tool shine: the ability to create videos from images. In this feature, you provide the image yourself, and without writing any text, you simply wait for the tool to convert the image into a video. For creating the image, I'll be using Midjourney. You can find an image in any way you prefer, but I'll demonstrate how to use this particular tool. In Midjourney, to create an image, we type /imagine, followed by a description of the image we want to create. I've also used the ER32 option to expand the aspect ratio, making the image wider. Now that I have created the image with Midjourney, I'm going to upload it. Once it's uploaded, all we have to do is click the Generate button, and the tool will create a video using this image. It's a seamless and intuitive process, and the results can be absolutely stunning. Let's click Generate and see what we get. Our video is ready. As you can see, the tool allowed us to get more realistic results based on the image references. I hope you found this demonstration informative and inspiring. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. You'll find the links to these tools in the description below. Until next time, goodbye, and I'll see you in another video.